Papa caught a fish so Lucas can see a fish. He's such an awesome Papa. He's gonna put it in water for you. It's in the cast net. You see? You got a fish down there? Oh, he's trying to breathe. There's two. Oh, there's three? Lucas, look, honey. Look. Look over here. Look. Whoa! Lucas, he didn't even notice it. Look, honey.
Look at the fish. Look at the fish.
Oop! The fish? Are you smiling?
Look in the bucket. Look in the bucket.
It's trying to get Papa, isn't it? You got him. They are jumping. He's gonna get him. Oh no. Get the fish. Lucas. You see the fish? Did it get you wet? Lucas, look at the fish. Oh. That scares me every time.
Did you see him come up?
Yeah, I did. He's not scared of them.
No. One of them looks like he's about to croak.
Oh.
Stand up there. Let me take that one out.
Just did a belly flop. Oh,
Look
Smokey's
at the fish.
Look, Lucas, you fishies. Can you get them? You gonna get Papa? Oh, he's gonna get scared.
He's trying to pick one of them up.
He is. You trying to get it? Can you get one out of there? Get the fishy. Lucas, look. Look at the fish. What'd you get on your hand? I don't know if you can see him. Lucas, look, honey. Look. Look. What's that?
Get it.